Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you on this Wednesday, September the 12th, for our Tiger Minute. I'd like to congratulate our Lady Tiger volleyball team for defeating Evans County last night. Also, our Fighting Tiger and Lady Tiger golf teams for defeating Hancock County last night. And congratulations to our Lady Tiger soccer team for defeating Butler County last night. So three great wins by our Tiger programs last night. Very proud of them. Today marks the end of our first 9 weeks midterm, so we're the halfway point. We'll be sending progress reports out on Friday. Please go over those with your student. Make sure they're passing all their classes. We'll be meeting with some of them this week that are failing some classes to go over that. We want to try to get rid of all of our Fs. We'll also have a site-based decision-making council meeting this afternoon at 3:30. Our drama club meets today from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, and we do have seniors out today visiting Murray State on a college visit. They left bright and early this morning, be back later on this afternoon. Tomorrow, Thursday the 13th, we have a Campbellsville College visit during the school day. Our volleyball team will be at Owensboro tomorrow night. Our golf team will be at Grayson County tomorrow night. And our soccer team will be at Grayson County as well tomorrow night. Friday's our big day. It's the conclusion of our homecoming week. We've had a great week of dressing up and showcasing champion behavior and spirit. Our football team will be hosting Ohio County at 7 o'clock kickoff. Our homecoming festivities will start at 6:30. Our candidates are asked to be at the middle school bus ramp at 6 o'clock. We will have a rave dance immediately following the football game. That'll last approximately from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock that night. It is free admission to get into the dance. There is a rave shirt that is for sale for $5, and you're able to decorate that prior to going to the dance Friday night. Our cross-country team will be in action this weekend at E-Town at the Fairgrounds Frenzy. And our soccer team will be in action at Fort Knox this weekend. I'd like to wish them good luck. And that concludes the Tiger Minute for Wednesday, September the 12th. Everyone out there, work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.